Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today is day 10 of our W3 School Python series. So let's get started. Open Google and type W3 Schools Python. Now click on Python tutorial W3 Schools. Now you'll get this page. In previous videos, we already seen Python intro, how to install Python, syntax, comments, variables. Now today in this video, we will see the concept of data types. So click on that. This is the concept of data types. So we will see one by one. We have built-in data types, getting the data type. These are the concepts we are seeing. Setting the data type, setting the specific data type, and this is few exercises we will see. So let's get started. First, we will see the concept of built-in data types. In Python programming, data type is an important concept. Variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Python has the following data types built in by default. These are the categories. First, text type. We have string data type, numeric types, int, float, complex, and sequence types, list, tuple, range. Mapping style, dictionary. Dictionary is a key value pair. Now set types, set, frozen set. Boolean type, bool. Binary type, bytes, byte array, memory view. These are the built-in data types in Python. And after that, we will see the concept of getting the data type. We can get the data type of any object by using the type function. We have a function called type. By using that, we can get the data type of that variable. So, see this example, x equal to 5. Here, print type of x. Click on this, try it yourself. Now click on run. Here we are getting the type of x. So this type is int, means integer. Here x equal to 5, x is the variable and 5 is the integer. So we are getting type of x as the integer. So we can able to get the data type like this by using type function. Now setting the data type. In Python, the data type is set when you assign a value to a variable. Now x equal to hello world. We are assigning a variable. Now we are assigning a string to a variable. This is the data type str. Now x equal to 20. This is the int type. Now x equal to 20.5. This is the float type. Now x equal to 1j. This is the complex type. X equal to list of apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry. This is the list type. Now x equal to, this is the tuple. Apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry. This is the tuple data type. Now x equal to range of 6. This is the range data type. Now x equal to, this is the dictionary type. Dictionary means key value. This is the key value pair. Name means key. John here is the value and age is the key and 36 is the value. So this is the dictionary type. So dict. Now x equal to apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry. This is the set data type. Now x equal to frozen set apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry. This is the frozen type, frozen set type. Now x equal to true means bool type, true, false, bool type. Now x equal to b hello means byte type. X equal to byte byte array 5 byte array type. Now x equal to memory view bytes of 5 memory view type. These are the types of the types data types in Python. Setting the specific data type. If you want to specify the data type, you can use the following program constructor functions. If we want to specify the data type, then we have to use the constructor functions. So here we can see this example, x equal to str of hello world. Here we are using this constructor str of like this. Now x equal to int of 20. We can use like this also. X equal to float of. We are specifying what the data type of this value. Now x equal to complex of 1j, x equal to list of. We can also specify in this way. Now x equal to tuple of, range of, x equal to dict of, set of, frozen set of, bull of. We can specify the data type in this format also. And now this is the exercise we are going to see. The following code example would print the data type of x. What data type would that be? So here x is the variable and we are assigning 5 value to that variable. So we are printing print of type of x. So what is the type of the x? We need to give the answer. So I am typing int. Submit answer. The answer is correct. In this way we need to use the data types concept in the Python. Today we have seen Python data types. What are the data types? We have a few built-in data types. We have string, numeric types in that int, float, complex, and sequence types, list, tuple, range, mapping type, dict, set types, set, frozen set, bool, bytes, byte array, memory view. These are the data types in the Python. And getting the data type, we can also get the data type of the variable by using type function, and we can set the data type like x equal to hello world. We have given that hello world is a string, so that data type is a string str. In that way we can also get the data type. And after that, setting the specific data type, we can also specify the data type in this format: str of string, str of 20, str of int of 20, float of 20.5. We can also mention data type in the front of way value, list of, tuple of, range of, dict of, set of. We can also specify the data type in this format. And we have seen one exercise. This is the concept of data types. In the next tutorial, we will see the concept of numbers in Python. We will see all the concepts. And in later videos, we will see casting, strings, booleans, operators, tuples. We will see all these concepts one by one. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.